Hey guys, so I wanted to answer a question that a lot of you have, and it's one that I had, actually before moving here to Merida, Mexico. Can you drink the water that's here? That's what you're asking, and that's what we're going to answer today. The straight up answer is no, you cannot drink the water that's here, at least from the tap. What you should drink is bottled water itself. Here in Mexico, just about any store that you go to, even like corner stores, they all sell bottled water. You probably get like maybe the little bottles itself, or you can get like maybe like 20-liter bottles itself. They're called garrafones. And so with these bottles itself, what you'll do is they usually cost about, if you're refilling it, it's probably like 38, 39 pesos, no more than 40 pesos to refill it. But once you buy it outright in the beginning, it may cost you about 100 pesos more or less. And so what you do with these bottles, guys, the big bottles, is that you're going to refill them, once they're finished. The water here in Mexico in general has lots of minerals, in it. And obviously when you're drinking, the bottled water, it's purified and it's a lot better, for you. Yes, you can use it to brush your teeth, and yes, you can use it to take showers, baths, and those kind of things. But anything outside of that, when it comes to like consumption, you don't want to drink it at all. Mexicans don't drink their own water. So how much more so a foreigner that's visiting here, a tourist, expat, you don't want to drink it at all. Very interesting. One of the things that I've noticed, I moved here in January of 2023, and we had come here on vacation a couple of times, prior like to the pandemic and that, and so we made plans to move here. But it was one of the big questions that we have, obviously because we use water for everything, right? I mean, we're drinking water, we're showering with water, we're brushing our teeth with water, we cook with water, everything uses water, right? And so it's one of these questions that everybody has. And I just wanted to give you guys my personal take, on it. Typically with Mexicans here that I've noticed, they don't drink water at all, or not a lot of it. If you go in stores, you'll see tons of like Pepsi products and Coke. Coke is like the king here, right? And so if you go to any one of these grocery stores, be it, like a Walmart, a Chedraui, any one of these places, Soriano, all of these places are really big on soda, Coke, and Pepsi products itself. So if you really want to drink water, which you should, you really have to look for it. And I just recommend that, you can order water. Sometimes we just order it, or we have like a guy that passes by, like twice a week, usually like on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And they will refill the garrafones for us. So the big jugs itself, they're like 20 liters itself. Those are the ones that you want to get. They last you maybe about a week, give or take, depending on your consumption of the water itself. But again, me and my wife, what we do is we use it not only as drinking water, but we use it also to cook different things. And so just wanted to give you guys my personal take, a really quick video to answer this question for you guys. Tell me what you think about it. Did you like this video? If so, go ahead and give it a like, drop a comment right below. I'd love to hear from you guys. I hope the best on your move to Merida. Take care.